Hey everyone, my name is Zandy. I've been hand painting worlds in virtual reality since 2019 and bringing those assets into Unity to create immersive experiences. Even with decimation, these worlds tend to stay quite high poly because of the level of detail I paint into them. They look great inside of Unity and work well in standalone builds or VR hosting platforms. The real challenge comes when I try to use them on the web, mobile, or augmented reality. Those platforms have much stricter performance limits. Over the years, I kept running into the same issue. I wanted to create a lightweight twin of my detailed worlds. Something that could live comfortably on the web or run smoothly on mobile. But every time I tried to capture the data needed for Gaussian splatting, it became frustrating. I had to manually place cameras, figure out angles, and deal with particle streaking. The process was slow, inconsistent, and honestly tiring. So I decided to build something that would make this much easier. I built SPLATZ Capture Rig, a Unity prefab that automates the entire capture process. You drop it into your scene, adjust a few settings, and press one button. It handles the camera paths and gives you organized data sets with alpha, depth maps, and cold map data ready to go. Here's what I built into it. I included 5 different capture shapes, so it can work for all different types of scenes. It supports alpha and depth map generation, and it automatically creates the cold map files you need. It also has single shot and stereoscopic captures from your current camera position, which is useful for parallax effects. There's a live preview window so you can see what's being captured in real time. I added simple hotkeys, F11 to freeze particles, and F12 to start or stop captures. And also included buttons in the inspector as a more reliable option. It supports 4K, 8K, and even 12K resolution, though I recommend starting at 4 or 8K unless you have a good amount of VRAM. There's also a high performance mode to help with faster captures at higher resolutions. I also added a rig yaw slider so you can easily rotate the whole capture towards your subject. And it's completely standalone. No extra packages are required. I built this because I wanted a simple and consistent way to turn high poly Unity worlds into lightweight Gaussian splats that could actually be used on the web and mobile without having to manually set up cameras every single time. I also tried to build it in a way that it could grow with the technology. Gaussian splatting is evolving quickly, and higher resolutions are becoming more important. So I wanted SPLATZ to be able to support that as things improve. If you create large or detailed worlds in Unity and want to turn them into Gaussian splats for better performance on the web or mobile, I think you'll find this prefab extremely useful. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how fast you can go from dropping the prefab into your scene to having your first capture ready. We'll see you then.